How to insert a 3D image in Microsoft Word document. So you're working on your puppy project and you want to put a picture of a puppy in here. Instead of using a regular image from your laptop, your desktop, a stock image or online image, you can use a 3D image. So let's go to Insert. I'm going to click on 3D models and let's do from stock 3D models. You can scroll, see if you see any puppies. Let's see, they're cats and dogs. Let's go with animated animals. Ooh, and we have a cool puppy. We're gonna insert. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to move him over and wrap text because he's just cute, and move it over. As you can see, after you insert the 3D model, just like inserting after you insert an image, you can change the positioning, you can wrap the text. And let's see, we could play with him. Whee! That's so cool. So cool. And you could see the different views of him. You could have him like this, like this. This is awesome. Aw, cute. Yep. You can even change his size. Make him a little bit smaller. You can move from wherever you like, wherever you position in your paper. And yep, click Save. Until next time.